First floor condo living overlooking the Elizabeth River and your boat slip. You can view your boat/slip from your patio. 2-bed/2 BTH with spare room off kitchen featuring built-ins and sliding glass door that open to a very large, covered patio. Large eat-in kitchen provides storage and a pass-through to the dining area. Large great room boasts a wood-burning fireplace and second sliding glass door that also leads to the patio. Spacious PBR overlooks the water and consists of spacious closet and private bath with dual sinks.